Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're on our way to check out a new listing, a 5-bedroom, 4-bath pool home with tons of garages, a very successful first-year vacation rental, almost $90,000 in vacation rental income in the first 13 months of it being a vacation rental. So hang out with us, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, we're at 3522 North Palo Verde Boulevard. This sits on 2 lots, 20,000 square foot of lots. It's basically a straight shot right down to Windsor Launch from up here. This is kind of the top of Palo Verde. So you have lots of garage space plus gated side RV boat parking. This is a super successful vacation rental right now. They're netting $90,000 a year for their first year. So you also have gated side RV parking on this side of the house as well. I believe this was the original house and then the rest of it was like an add-on. Let's go on in and check it out. So you got a cool little courtyard, little flagstone walkway that goes all the way around. So there's like an entry to the garage side over here. All right, guys, so this is a 5-bedroom, 4-bath pool home built in 1998, 3,382 square foot. Again, it sits on 2 married lots of 20,000 square feet. Nice double-sided fireplace, open living, split floor plan, vaulted ceilings. Just listed for $949. Nice little dining area. You have killer lake views off of the backyard and pool area. Again, this is a vacation rental. Right now, that's the way it's set up. Nice granite counters in the kitchen. So they did a vacation rental first time this one was on the market, so they kind of priced it accordingly for a 5-bedroom, and their financials for the first 13 months were netting $90,000. So they're on track to have a very good vacation rental setup with this one. All right, so I'm gonna go down the left side of the house from the entry first. You have a garage door, indoor laundry, and the master suite. Bolted ceilings, it's a good size. There's a big walk-in closet. So you have a little master bath, walk-in shower, door to the outside pool area. Tiled master shower. So you have your indoor laundry. You have your door to the original 2-car garage we'll go check out in a minute. Let's go check out the other side of the house first. So you have this huge hallway, so I'm just gonna start hitting rooms. So it looks like you have another little junior master suite. It has its own bathroom, or at least pretty close to it. So this is set up like a hotel. You know, you have towel racks in the bedroom, things like that for the vacation rental. It's all about sleeping as many people as possible with the amenities. So this could also double as a, guest bathroom, but you can close the door and make it a little junior master suite for sure. You have a little pantry closet down the hall, same side. You got another huge pantry. That's where they keep all their linens and stuff for the rental. It has a little skylight. Huge space. Okay, right across the hall, you have another bedroom. The back of the house, killer panoramic lake views from the window. Access to the backyard. Small little two-door closet. Real nice views. It's a little cloudy today, so you can't really tell, but you have a nice panoramic lake view. Can lights in here. Again, door to the backyard pool area. You have another little closet. This is a huge hallway. Kind of get lost in here. So I'm gonna make a left, see what's down here. So you have this huge walk-in closet. Has a skylight. I mean, it can almost be another little bedroom, it's so big. So right across the hall you have what looks like another master bath with dual vanities, solid surface counters, upgraded cabinets, can lights. Pretty big space, the walk-in shower. Real nice shower, all tile, has a rain head. So this one has all the amenities, which that's why it's getting the big bucks. So I think this is a master, there's a double door. So this was all like one big master wing over here. Can lights, huge room, door to the outside pool area. All right, let's keep going down the hall this way. You have a little door to that little breezeway probably, I would guess. A little desk, another bedroom. Little double door closet, can lights. So all the furniture can be acquired and can come with the house, making this pretty turnkey. All right, so this is not a breezeway. This is one of the garages. Oh, so that's the door to the breezeway right there. So you have this RV garage. Looks like it's 32 feet deep, 11.5-foot door. Has 2 built-in fridges, pool table, air conditioning, AC, mini split unit, little bar. Let's just make sure this is actually the door I think it is. Yeah, so this is just a little breezeway door. That's how you access this part. Little in-wall microwave. Again, it's got 2 fridges, pretty cool. I think these are the doors to the other RV garage we'll check out in a second. So you have another little room in the back of the RV garage. Has its own bathroom, little foosball table, tile floors. If you wanted to, you could knock this out and regain the depth, I guess. So there's a little door to the backyard pool area. We'll go check out in a minute. Let's go look at the other garage. So you have the second RV garage. It's a little bit wider. 46.5 feet deep with 11.5-foot door. Does have a drive-through bay to access the backyard. Has a 50 amp. Here's the ends of the fridge and the microwave. So this was probably like an owner garage that they lock up so the renters can't access their side. So you basically have your own little boat storage, and the house is making you $90,000 a year. Not too bad. All right, so we're gonna access the pool area from the kitchen. All right, so you got a fully covered porch. Obviously, this is all set up for outdoor living, for the vacation rental setup. Nice built-in barbecue and sink area with granite counters. Killer lake views. Looks like it has a little view deck we'll go check out. You have a little storage area under the stairwell. Let's go see what's up here first. So you have a killer lake view. You can see the whole island right there. See the fireworks, the whole lake pretty much. Here's your little rooftop view. Got some artificial turf, nice pebble tech pool. Beautiful day in Havasu today, only about 85 degrees. We're ready for a little bit of cooler weather for sure. There's several gated entries into the pool area. This is the left side of the house, gated side parking. You have your propane tank, which is a pretty big one. So I guess the heat in the pool with that. All your pool equipment. So they also own this lot behind them, and it's also available to purchase for the first owner or first buyer. Real nice mini pebble tech pool, pop-up cleaners. Another little outdoor seating area. Let's go check out what's over here. So this kind of wraps around over here. Little side yard we'll go check out. So I believe this would be the little door out from that master suite, I believe. And I was kind of lost in there a little bit. The place is so big. It's a big side yard with a turf all fenced in. You have that little door from the back of the garage. Another little shed. And then you got the bigger, wider side RV parking, probably about 20 feet or so. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Palo Verde. Again, this one is a successful vacation rental. 90,000 in net the first 13 months of it being a vacation rental. So this is a good one if you're looking for that type of angle. Anyways, if you guys have any questions, I will put all my contact information right below this video. I'll also put a direct link to the listing detail page so you guys can get all the current price, pictures, availability. It's currently listed for $949.9 and it was just listed this week. So anyways, you guys have a great day and I will talk to you soon.